Good day everyone! Merong bago ngayon sa system ni Unified, which is hindi mo na kailangan mag-add-on ng additional bayad para makapag-access ka, kundi ma-enjoy mo na. So totoo yung one time, lifetime, no quota, no renewal, no maintaining balance, no maintenance fee, no expiration date, pwede mong ipamana kanino mo gusto. So try natin ang cash in facility ni Unified. Punta tayo sa cash in. Okay? So marami na tayong makikita ngayon sa mga pwede mong pag-cash inan. So kung mayroong magpabook sa'yo ng ticket, magbabayad ng bill, so which is nearest sa kanila, pwede na. So you have the online booking, the over-the-counter, bills payment, e-wallet, online banking, others. So let's try ang Palawan. So sa Palawan, subukan natin, sabi note, make an over-the-counter bills payment at any Palawan Pawn Shop / Express Pera Padala branch nationwide. So let's try. Subukan natin 500 pesos. Please select fund type, funding for my e-cash. So halimbawa may magpapabook or may magpa-load. So transaction password natin. Submit. Let's check ano ang lalabas. Okay. So yan, automatic na. Makita na natin. From Palawan Express Pera Padala, may reference number na. Babayad ka na lang doon ng 500 para makapasok na sa fund mo, sa e-cash fund mo. Then, email, mobile number sent, instruction via email, mobile. Okay. So, ganyan na siya ngayon. View the instruction online. Okay, click natin. So, yan ang sinabi. So, okay, biller, reference number, 500. Pay in cash only. Step 1. Step 2, confirmation payments are processed immediately. We will send a confirmation email to you once processed. If you do not receive one by noon time of the next day, you will call, email, or open a support ticket or chat with our customer support. Okay, general rules. Pay the exact amount indicated above. Excess portion of your payment is forfeited. Okay. So, ayan na siya. Ganyan na lang siya kadali. Wow. Wow na wow. So, have your own system, have your own e-cash account. The convenience na ang meron pag meron ka ng system mo mismo. Thank you for watching.